This 2026 Big Bubba's Trailers 6 by 12 feet 3 inches steel utility trailer with ramp, Package 2 is a utility trailer. It is located in Buhl, Idaho, 83316 and is offered for sale by Idaho Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Big Bubba's Trailers is 12 feet 3 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Big Bubba's Trailers 6 by 12 feet 3 inches steel utility trailer with ramp, Package 2 is 800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Idaho Trailer Sales.